New rules are being drawn up to start charging migrants who live in Ipas centres but who are also working. But there are already some doubts over how effective these rules might be in practice or how they might be implemented. The system being looked at proposes charging between €15 and €238 per week, depending on how much somebody earns. It's estimated around 7,600 migrants living in Ipas centres would be eligible for the payments. It's proposed that this money would be collected by third parties, so either local authorities, approved housing bodies or private companies, and that debt collection companies would be used to collect it in the case of arrears. The start-up costs of this are high. A note prepared for Cabinet on the proposal says the start-up costs would be between 1.2 and 1.68 million euros, and after that it would cost €740,000 a year to run the system. But the money that they get back might not be that much. The note says there would be a relatively low rate of return for the money spent on the system. This is, it says, because it's difficult to determine the rate of compliance with the rules or how effective they will actually be. So what exactly is the point of this new plan? Well, the note does say that it will weaken one of the pull factors for people coming here. In other words, it could act as a deterrent, all part of the government's plan to take a tougher line on the key issue of migration.